I'm going to give you a close-up view of the quality you can expect from these safety glasses from LANON. Right off, I know I was wondering, will they fit over my glasses? So I have fairly large prescription glasses, and these just fit really comfortably over top. It closes up against my forehead here. A tiny little gap here that maybe if I didn't have my glasses on, that would be a little bit closer. But full coverage down on the bottom, and it's over these large frames really well and really comfortably. So these are nice and solidly constructed. Obviously, these are going to be able to handle some objects coming at it. I wear these so I don't get dust in my eyes doing light home maintenance stuff and yard work and so forth too. And I've been really pleased with them. They're super comfortable. I might be mowing for like, an hour at a time. And I come in the house and forgotten to take them off because they're that comfortable. I just forget that I had them on to some extent. So really good coverage overall, nice plastic sort of band up top. These arms on the glasses are adjustable. I did pull them out a little bit, so I had the full coverage to be able to go over my lenses, but you can keep them on the shorter side too if that's going to be the best fit for you. So you've got options. I think they're well constructed, and I feel like the safety factor is covered when I'm wearing these, and I'm protecting my eyes and protecting my glasses as well because they just fit so well over them. So if you're considering these, I think it's a good quality thing to be able to have in your home maintenance arsenal, or for whatever reason you're going to be using safety glasses with construction work or anything like that. They're well made. You have a little bit of wiggle room on them for comfort, but certainly not fearing that they're going to fall apart by any stretch. I think these are just good quality glasses to be able to have, and I would recommend.